being said, all of this code is on GitHub, so you have full access to everything I have access to. The other thing that it is dependent on is this is pretty cool. And I think I've shown you this before, but the swarm agent, this allows you to import a swarm of AI into any different type of bot, agent sequence you have, etc. And this allows you to call. So like I use this, I import this in the file I'm about to show you of the PolyMarket agent, and it calls DeepSeek, XAI, OpenRouter Queen, Claude, OpenRouter GLM, OpenRouter GPT-5 Mini, and then you can change these however you want. So imagine this as like the ultimate import file that whatever you want a consensus decision or a swarm of AIs to answer something. What is that something? I don't know. For this case, you know what it is now. It's looking at prediction markets, the last 25 markets of big sweeps and trying to make a decision, yes or no. That's what I'm using it for, but this is just the start, you know? I like to get you all this stuff as quickly as possible because I get you it sooner, then we'll all be ahead of everybody else. So those are the two files it's dependent on. And then you can see here the PolyMarket agent. I'll go through it really quickly. It's not actually trading. It's just predicting and analyzing for now, and then outputting these CSVs that are super handy. Also prints out in the terminal. So you can see there's a couple filters I wanted to go over really quickly. Minimum trade size. I had this higher before. I think I had it at 5,000. I lowered it to 500 just to get a little more action, see more things. I ignore price thresholds that are too close to expiry, like or too close to decided by 2 cents here. Look back hours, 24 hours. You know, this is my bias and this might not be for you, but I ignore sports and crypto. I ignore crypto because I have plenty of algos for crypto specific markets. And I feel like this is a little more, if you've looked at their markets, you'll understand what I'm talking about. But like betting that the price is going to change every 15 minutes is interesting. Maybe you could use it for a different type of algo. That could be a useful feature, but they have, or a useful market, but they have markets on PolyMarket that are like, is the price going to be over $100,000 in the next 15 minutes for BTC? Essentially, it's just using a lot of leverage. And like I said, I've got bots for like perp dexes. And then sports, the reason I ignore these is because I feel like a Lakers fan